So my first video I posted last week of price action technical analyst market review. I feel that it was just too long. It was 44 minutes long, and it covered several different time intervals. So what I decided to do is I'm going to be making each time interval its own video. Like this, the video is going to be much shorter for the viewers to be able to specifically go to the time frame that's most relevant for them. So what I'm going to be doing also is I won't also be posting all time intervals every week, because I think the quarterly and the monthly charts are not going to change so much where I have to go over them every week. So most likely I'm going to be doing every week the daily and the 60-minute charts, and you could also see probably the weekly also, but not as often. As you won't see the monthly and the quarterly, because there wouldn't be so much movement within the market. So let me first jump into the first video. This is going to be the weekly video that I'm going to go over this week. This is for week 2. So let's see. All right, so here I have this trend line that I posted from this point to this point over here. As you see, this trend line was behaving after this bar as support, finally broke below it. Markets came back, and now they're trying to get above this trend line. So this trend line could possibly be behaving like a resistance line. So I definitely would watch how prices react around this range. Like I said before, I posted my first trade of the week, and I said I could see prices going past this, but how much farther past this trend line? I don't see it going that far, because this trend line is pretty steep, and prices really could not be moving in this steep angle for a long time, because that's just the way the market is. Yeah, so this trend line over here, I think it's going to start behaving like resistance as time goes forward, but you never know. It could break out of this trend line, and prices could fall back down and behave like support. I'm not saying that price is going to fall below it. You never know. This market has been moving up for the past couple of months in a linear fashion. Really, markets are really crashing up. That's how it feels like at this point. So anything is possible. Here I have this trend line from this point to this point. I'm seeing it as support after these 2 bars over here. This is as long as prices stay above this trend line, I see the market moving sideways to up. This is an important trend line I think that everybody should be aware of. So as long as prices stay above this trend line, I would definitely say the market's neutral to bullish. The next one I have is this Bollinger Band. This Bollinger Band, as you see, prices are at the upper level of this Bollinger Band, this 2 standard deviation move. I could see prices not go farther past this Bollinger Band, the 2 standard deviation move. We try to keep about 95% of the trading action between these 2 Bollinger Bands. Statistically speaking, I could see prices go above this Bollinger Band easily, but not too farther up without prices retracing back down again. That's for the Bollinger Band, and as you see, this is the 20-day, or excuse me, the 20-week moving average over here. It's obviously trending up. It's in an upward fashion. So as long as prices stay above this 20-week moving average, it's a simple moving average. Definitely, I would say that the market's in a bullish upward trend. The next thing I want to let the viewers be aware of is these 2 horizontal support and resistance lines. As you guys see, for some points, that this lower horizontal support line was behaving like support. Markets tried to close below it, could not do it, was behaving like support for several weeks. Over here for July, markets went up, came back down and found support again at those levels, close to about 24.20. And here I have the upper portion of this horizontal resistance line, which was behaving like resistance for quite a long time. Markets tried to go past this level but failed. This week, the first week of September, then the week that just closed, market prices dramatically surpassed this resistance line and closed way above it. So this is an extremely bullish move over here. As you see, this bar is very, very bullish. There's no wicks below it or above it. This is an extremely bullish bar over here. I would like to see possibly how this week turns out. If we have an upward move and some follow through, that's definitely going to be an extremely bullish sign, and it's not going to be really good for my call credit spread that I put on this week. But let's see how that works out. So as long as markets stay above this line over here, the 24.78 level, definitely the markets are in a bullish mood, without a doubt. If we see markets close below this resistance line and stay within this level of 24.20, I could definitely say that's consolidation. It would not be in a bullish trend or a bearish one. Definitely would be consolidation, which would be neutral. If prices break below this level of 24.20 or 24.17, around that area, I would see definitely prices probably see some follow through, because we have not seen a leg down for quite a long time. The market seems like it's overbought, but like I said, it's just an opinion of mine. I'm not saying anything is factual. Anything's possible in the market. So if I see prices go past this, below this 24.18 level, 24.20 level, I definitely see this as a bullish sign. I wouldn't necessarily say go short, but definitely the bulls would definitely lose a lot of strength if prices go below this level over here of the 24.20 level. And the next thing I just wanted to quickly go over was these pivot lines. So this is a weekly chart. So these are monthly pivots. As you guys see, the resistance 1 over here is at 25.02. I just looked at pre-market about a few minutes ago. Market's at 25.01 in the E-mini futures, the ES. So pretty close already to this resistance line. The next resistance line we should be aware of is this 25.33 level. That could be our next upside target. Just to be aware of this level, and this number 25.33 is a good idea. So the next video I'm going to post will be the daily video. Thank you guys.